If I could go back in time and give my younger self 5 financial lessons, I'd probably save myself years of stress, thousands of dollars, and a whole lot of regret. These are the hard lessons I had to learn the long way, through bad decisions, tight budgets, and a lot of financial trial and error. If you're in your 20s or 30s and feel like you're behind, you're not alone. This video is for you. Let's talk about the lessons that can save you from making the same mistakes I did, and maybe help you take control of your financial future a little faster. Lesson 1. Budgeting is freedom, not restriction. When I first heard the word budget, I thought boring, strict, limiting. I imagined spreadsheets, cutting out all the fun stuff, and constantly stressing over receipts. But I had it completely wrong. A good budget isn't about restriction, it's about intention. A budget gives you permission to spend on what actually matters to you, while eliminating waste you didn't even know was happening. Start by tracking your monthly income and fixed expenses. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a basic template: 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings debt. Set aside money for fun, yes, guilt-free fun, inside your budget. Personal tip. I started budgeting with just a notebook. Every Sunday, I'd write down what I spent and plan the next week. It changed everything. Without a budget, you're flying blind. With one, you're building a map to financial clarity. Lesson 2. Credit card debt is a trap. Credit cards can feel like free money until the statement hits. Here's what I wish I understood earlier. That $30 dinner you didn't pay off in full, it could cost you $100 over time thanks to interest. Always pay your full balance. Use credit for rewards, not for lifestyle inflation. If you're already in debt, make it your top priority before saving or investing. Real talk. I once racked up over $3,000 on my card thinking I'd catch up later. It took 18 months to pay off, and it set back my financial goals big time. Credit cards aren't evil, but they're tools. Use them wrong and they'll cost you. Lesson 3. Saving is not enough. For the longest time, I thought saving meant I was doing great financially. I kept stacking up my savings account, but I wasn't investing. The result? Inflation was quietly eroding my money's value. Save for emergencies. 3 to 6 months of expenses. After that, start investing. Index funds, Roth IRA, ETFs, etc. Focus on long-term gains. Compound interest does the heavy lifting. Let me show you how real it is. If you invest $200 a month starting at age 25, you could have over $400,000 by 65, even with average market returns. Saving keeps you safe. Investing builds wealth. Lesson 4. Lifestyle. Creep is real. Ever got a raise and thought, finally, I can breathe a little? That was me. And then I upgraded everything. Bigger apartment, nicer dinners, better gadgets. A year later, I still had nothing saved. That's lifestyle creep. When your income grows, your lifestyle doesn't have to lock in your expenses and redirect new income into savings or investing. Keep your lifestyle simple longer, and you'll be way ahead. My rule now? For every raise or bonus, I automate 50% into investments. The rest? Guilt-free. Live intentionally, not impulsively. Lesson 5. Time beats timing. So many people wait. Wait for the right time to invest, the perfect job, the ideal moment to start. Here's what no one told me. Perfect timing is a myth. The real power? It's in a time. The amount of time you stay consistent. Start small. Even $10 week. Be consistent. Automate it. Don't stop, even during market drops. Looking back, the best financial decision I ever made wasn't picking the right stock. It was starting early and staying in. Don't wait for someday. Start with what you have. Time will do the rest. Wrap up and call to action. Those are the 5 money lessons I wish I knew earlier, and they've shaped how I manage my money today. Now I want to hear from you. Which lesson hit you hardest? Or do you have a money mistake that taught you something big? Share it in the comments. We all grow together. Like this video if it gave you value. Subscribe to Cash Compass for real-world personal finance tips every week. Follow us for updates, tools, and more ways to grow your money the smart way. Remember, you don't have to be perfect, just consistent. See you in the next one.